Hello everyone, my name is Varadan Lomte. Today, the topic of my presentation is nuclear power plant and working and maintenance procedure of nuclear power plant. So, what is nuclear power plant? Here is the diagram of nuclear power plant. A nuclear power plant is a thermal power station in which the heat source is a nuclear reactor. As is typical of thermal power stations, heat is used to generate steam that drives the steam turbine connected to a generator that produces electricity. Here is the working of nuclear power plant. So, nuclear power plants heat water to produce steam. The steam is used to spin large turbines that generate electricity. Nuclear power plants used to heat produced during nuclear fission to heat water. In nuclear fissions, atoms are split apart to form smaller atoms releasing energy. Nuclear reactors are the heart of nuclear power plant. They contain and control nuclear chain reaction that produce heat through a physical process called fission. The heat is used to make steam that spins a turbine to create electricity. With more than 440 commercial reactors worldwide, including 94 in the United States. Nuclear power continues to be one of the largest sources of reliable carbon free electricity. So, here is we can see the diagram of nuclear power plant. So, our next slide is nuclear power plants have generated about 20% of US electricity since 1990. As of December 31, 2020, 94 nuclear reactors were operating at 56 nuclear power plants in 28 states. 32 of the plants have 2 reactors and 3 plants have 3 reactors. Nuclear power plants have supplied about 20% of total annual US electricity since 1990. So, maintenance procedure. Nuclear power plants maintain the service life of nuclear power plant will be at least 60 years. To keep the plant in good condition throughout its life, there will be frequent inspections and maintenance work. The power plant's maintenance program will include condition monitoring and preventive maintenance of structures and components. During operation, and parts of the plant will also be renovated according to the best available knowledge to achieve an even higher safety level. Target schedules for annual outage have usually been achieved at Finnish nuclear power plants, which has kept that among the world's best performing plants. During short outages, fuel will be replaced and only the most important inspection and maintenance work will be performed. If possible, any extensive modifications and repair work will be scheduled for longer outages. So, advantages of nuclear power plant: low cost energy, it is very cheap in price. Although building nuclear power plants has a high initial cost, is relatively cheap to produce from them and they have low operational costs. It is reliable, zero carbon emissions, it is eco-friendly, promising future energy supply, high energy density. So these are the advantages of it. So disadvantages of nuclear power plant: raw material safety measures needed to be prevent the harmful levels of radiation from uranium. Fuel availability, high cost, nuclear waste, risks of shutdown reactors, impact on human life, nuclear power a non-renewable resource, national risk. So these are the disadvantages of nuclear power plant. So this is the diagram of nuclear power plant. So thank you everyone.